In this video, we will know how to create an account on Payoneer. So what is Payoneer? Payoneer is an American financial services company that provides the online money transfer and digital payment services. If you are a freelancer or you have an Amazon FBA account or Amazon account, or you are doing any online transactions, with Payoneer account, you can make international payments, receive funds without any restrictions. And once you have an account, you can get the account number for your United States, for United Kingdom and some other countries also. So which means that you can receive the payments in your foreign currency account, and then when you want to transfer them to your local account, you can transfer them into your own country like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh or any other country on click of button. So it will be instantly transferred. So let me show you how we can create an account. So I have created a guide for Amazon FBA. So in this guide, I have explained how to create an account in United States. You can do it from here, or I have provided the link in the description below. You can click that link and you can open your account. So this account will help you to link the account with the Amazon account or even the Fiverr account. So I'll click on sign up and earn $25. What is the purpose of creating this account? Affiliate marketer or individual or online seller. So I'm a freelancer or SMB, so I'll be clicking this here. Okay, now I'll be clicking on register, and once I click on register, so I'll be providing my details here. ID, so country, I'll be choosing my home country, and then the address details here. And here you will provide your national ID number and all this, and just follow the steps. Here I need to provide the bank name in my home country. So once this will be reviewed, I'll get the confirmation by email, and then I'll be able to receive the payments in my Payoneer account. Okay, now my account has been activated. You can see that I can see on home page the amount of funds available with me. So I can click on bank and cards, so I can choose my bank account numbers. I can see what are my bank account numbers, my cards if are available, and recipient bank account number, and then the account activity. I can see all the transactions and payment request and other account for Amazon, and confirmation of receiving account, monthly statements, and then the withdrawal and transfers. So if I want to withdraw to the bank, so I can choose that. Otherwise I can manage the multiple currencies here. Then if I want to make the payment, so I can choose it from here and get paid. In case I want to request for the payment, I can do that. So you can see it's very easy to manage. You can also have an app also, so to create the account. So this has integration with various freelance network like Upwork, Fiverr and Crossover, and then with the e-commerce platforms like eBay, Walmart or Wayfair, and then with the content creation, Getty Images, Shutterstock and Adobe. And for digital marketing, you can use Taboola, Google and TradeDouble. And for travel, you can link it with the Airbnb and all these platforms. And then music royalties, you can use it. And there are more other available platforms. So it is universal platform, and it has access to almost all over the world. And there are many success stories for this. So you can also use it on Android or iOS devices. So this is a great feature available. So if you need anything, any help you need, you can contact me back. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.